it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this 1967 Mgb Roadster. It's the final year for the Mark I model, so desirable model here. It's finished in this sort of a purple color. I believe this was a standard color for some cars in the 70s, but really not a standard color for 67. But anyways, it works pretty good on the car. So older repaint in this purple, and it's a 4-speed car. It's fitted with this lovely set of chrome wire wheels and new Vredestein tires. Really honest car overall. I just took it for a drive, and mechanically great. You know, good engine, trans, pulls great. The brake pedal the pressure's a little hard, so maybe it just needs a little checking out on the braking system. You know, maybe the rear shoes are stuck or something. But no, runs, drives, stop, steers wonderfully well. Great transmission, great pulling engine, good oil pressure. So mechanically, it really doesn't need much. Like I said, just fitted with that excellent set of expensive chrome wires. So paintwork is kind of older, but really honest. You can see here up close, we had it buffed, but we still have these real fine little, you know, sun marks in it, or just a bit of oxidation on the top of the car. The sides are a little better. Bit chippy here and there. You can see some chips here, you know, chips on the hood. You know, so just kind of older driver quality paint, but still from 10 feet looks great. So if you're looking for a driver Mark I, really good 67 Roadster with, you know, kind of this approachable, honest, older purple paintwork, which, like I said, it is a color, it is an MG color from the 70s, but not from the 60s. Bright works pretty good. A little bit of pitting there on the rear bumper. You can see that's probably the original, but you know, windshield is excellent. It's a brand new expensive triplex windshield. You can see there's not a mark on it. The rubber's nice all around it. The body moldings are good. Front bumper grille is excellent. So, you know, car's got a lot going for it. I had a quick look underneath here just after my test drive, and looks like a completely rust-free car. We purchased it from Oregon. I believe it was garaged a very long time. So let's look at the interior here. It has a matching purple roll bar, which this could be unbolted right away, but you know, it is a safety item here. But pretty nice original interior, original looking interior. Seats have been redone in vinyl. You can see both of them are in great condition. Door panels are kind of, you know, just this light custom touch. They look great. They're in nice shape. Plus these quarter panels here, these are excellent. Great dashboard. This is the original metal dashboard on the MGBs. This is correctly covered in all the original vinyl front capping there. Plus the paint on the dash is really lovely. So no nicks or scratches, but really wonderful dashboard that really doesn't need anything. I'll wait for this noisy truck to go by here. So it's fitted with a set of newer sun visors. That's real nice. But carpets are great. You can see here, nice kind of a cut pile carpet kit throughout. So really nice, clean, usable interior. It's fitted with this smaller 14-inch wheel, which is nice because it gets that big original steering wheel out of the way from your legs and your gut there when you're driving it. So pretty nice, pretty tidy original interior. I love the way these Mark I's drive, you know, because they hug the road real nice. They got plenty of power, and you're sitting nice and low in this nice roomy interior. Let's take a look at this car's engine compartment. So under here we see that it's all nice and straight. When they painted the car, they did a little light blackening to this engine compartment. It looks like they've fitted a brand new wiring harness It's got a brand new Weber and downdraft carb on it. Looks like it's got the original exhaust manifold, which is good. But, you know, real clean and tidy, mechanically well kept. Car runs and drives great. You can see me driving it preceding this walk around video. But yeah, real attractive, you know, very good sort of driver condition 67 Mgb Roadster, 4-speed, chrome wire wheels, very good, honest car. You know, my suggestion to clients is, you know, buy a car like this, drive it a few years, enjoy it. If you're really in love with it still, then treat it to a nice proper paint job in the correct color. I'll have a dig around in this car, and I'm gonna indicate what the original color was in the text here. But pretty good little honest 67 Roadster in from Oregon. A lot of decent stuff going for it. And there it is, 1967 Mgb Roadster, purple, black interior, black top, 4-speed, chrome wire wheels. Very good running driving car in this kind of older driver's condition. The super honest little Mark 1 Mgb Roadster, final year for the Mark 1 desirable car. And it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.